what do we got? Tires. A digital pump. God. More of that Troy Lee design. Oh, like biking pants. Oh.
These are boots.
They're boots. And some biking stuff. There's a whole bike tire.
That's not a tire, honey. That's a wheel.
Oh,
that's a fork.
That's a fork.
Yeah.
Those look like they fit you.
Look at that. Yeah, I want it all. I want it all.
Summarize the night. How'd we do?
Yeah, so it's really sweet. This really nice guy was like, are you looking for aluminum? And then look.
That's a lot.
Yeah, we're going to take it
There's
all to the scrapyard. There's a ton. We found he had some copper, stainless steel. He was just like redoing a Lens Crafters and he had to rip all this stuff out. He's got to get rid of it somehow. Might as well give it to us,
yeah.
Right? So he was just like, take it. It was all on the up and up, and we come to the Amazon dumpster and we find all these great bike things, which is like, I'm really into biking.
So between the scrap and the biking stuff, how much do you think we'll make?
I don't know much about scrap, but I do know stuff about biking stuff. So I would say that's probably $250 to $300 worth of.
I think the scrap is probably at least $100. We've been out here for 2 hours. It's pretty. Everybody should go dumpster diving. It's fun.
A great time. Even if it's cold, it's like overcast. You don't want to do anything, but like it kind of makes it worth it, you know.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I recommend it for everyone to try at least once. All right.
Yeah.